What if I told you that some of the most profitable businesses in 2026 don't start with a storefront, employees, or a warehouse? They start with a machine. Right now, people around the world are using compact machines to create products that sell every single day. Some of these machines are surprisingly simple. Others are hidden opportunities that most people completely overlook. In this video, I'll show you 20 business machines you can buy online that have the potential to turn a small workspace into a real income stream. And make sure you stay until the end, because some of the most surprising and potentially most profitable machines are still ahead. Let's get started. UV Flatbed Printer. Imagine printing directly onto wood, glass, metal, leather, acrylic, and hundreds of other materials. That's exactly what a UV flatbed printer does. This machine opens the door to custom gifts, premium signage, home decor, and personalized products that customers are willing to pay top dollar for. The beauty of this business is that almost every order can be unique, making it difficult for competitors to compete on price alone. DTF Transfer Printer. Custom apparel is still one of the biggest online markets, and DTF printing has completely changed the game. This machine allows you to create vibrant, durable designs on almost any fabric. From small clothing brands to corporate merchandise and personalized gifts, the opportunities are endless. With the right designs, a simple printer can become the foundation of a serious online brand. Button Badge Making Machine. It may look simple, but this small machine serves schools, events, businesses, sports teams, political campaigns, and collectors. Custom badges are inexpensive to produce, yet can generate surprisingly high margins. It's a niche that's been around for decades and continues to generate consistent demand. Before we continue, one of the machines later in this video provides a service people need every single day. It doesn't create a trendy product, it doesn't rely on social media, and it doesn't require constant advertising. Yet it continues generating income year after year, because customers come to you when they need it most. Crystal Engraving Machine. People love personalized gifts, especially when they look expensive. This machine engraves photos, names, and logos inside crystal, creating products that feel luxurious and memorable. Weddings, anniversaries, memorials, and corporate gifts all create year-round demand. CNC Foam Cutting Machine. Large decorative letters, event displays, movie props, trade show installations. This machine creates them all. Foam is cheap, lightweight, and easy to work with. What businesses pay for is customization, speed, and professional execution. Vacuum Forming Machine. This machine is one of the hidden gems of manufacturing. It creates custom plastic molds, packaging inserts, prototypes, product displays, and much more. Once you understand how many industries need custom molding solutions, the opportunities become enormous. PCB Milling Machine. Every electronic device starts with a circuit board. This machine allows you to produce custom PCBs for hobbyists, engineers, startups, and inventors. As technology continues to grow, so does the need for rapid prototyping and small batch electronic production. Also, if you're curious about startup costs and potential returns, I've included a free ROI calculator in the description. It can help you compare some of these opportunities for yourself. Hot Foil Stamping Machine. Luxury packaging sells products. This machine adds metallic gold, silver, and premium foil finishes to invitations, business cards, packaging, notebooks, and books. It instantly increases perceived value, allowing businesses to charge higher prices for their products. Automatic Wire Stripping Machine. Most people see old electrical cables as waste. Entrepreneurs see profit. This machine removes insulation from cables quickly and efficiently, exposing valuable copper that can be sold or recycled. It's simple, scalable, and built around materials people throw away every day. Digital Textile Printer. Fashion moves fast, and this machine helps you move faster. Print custom designs directly onto fabric for clothing, accessories, interior decor, and creative projects. Designers and brands are constantly searching for ways to stand out, and custom printing provides exactly that. acrylic bending machine. Modern businesses use acrylic displays everywhere, from retail stores and restaurants to trade shows and offices. This machine transforms flat acrylic sheets into professional displays, holders, stands, and signage with impressive profit potential. If you're finding value in this list so far, let me know by hitting the like button. It helps more than you think. Bookbinding machine. Despite the digital age, physical books, journals, planners, and notebooks continue to thrive. This machine allows you to create custom publications, branded planners, wedding books, and educational materials. Personalized stationery remains a strong and profitable niche. Shrink wrapping machine. Packaging matters more than ever. This machine helps businesses package products professionally, protect shipments, and improve presentation. Many online sellers eventually need reliable packaging solutions, creating opportunities for both products and services. Label printing machine. Every product needs a label. Food products, cosmetics, supplements, candles, beverages, and countless other industries depend on attractive labeling. This machine serves businesses that want professional branding without massive production runs. Coin minting machine. Collectors love unique products, and custom coins have become increasingly popular for events, clubs, companies, gaming communities, and commemorative gifts. This machine transforms simple metal blanks into collectible items with premium value. Wood turning lathe. A block of wood can become a premium handmade product in minutes. Pens, bowls, decorative pieces, candle holders, and custom gifts are all possible with a wood lathe. Handmade craftsmanship continues to command premium prices online. Screen printing machine. Long before digital printing, screen printing built entire businesses. Today, it's still one of the most versatile ways to create apparel, posters, packaging, and promotional products. It combines low production costs with high creative freedom. Mini concrete casting machine. Concrete is no longer just for construction. Modern home decor trends have created demand for concrete planters, trays, candle holders, sculptures, and furniture accents. This machine helps produce stylish products with surprisingly strong profit margins. Metal business card engraving machine. Most business cards end up in the trash. Metal business cards don't. This machine creates premium engraved cards that immediately grab attention. For professionals who want to stand out, ordinary paper simply can't compete. And finally, the machine I believe has one of the most interesting business models on today's list: key cutting machine. At first glance, this machine may seem incredibly simple, but don't underestimate it. Some of the most reliable businesses are built around products and services people need every single day, and keys are a perfect example. Keys may be small, but the demand never stops. Homes, apartments, offices, vehicles, lockers, storage units, and security systems all require duplicate keys at some point. People lose them, damage them, move into new properties, or simply need extra copies for family members and employees. What makes this machine particularly interesting is that it provides a service rather than just a product. Customers often need it immediately, which means less competition from online sellers and more opportunities for local business. It's a simple concept, but one that has remained profitable for decades and continues to generate consistent demand year after year. These machines prove that opportunity isn't always found in the latest trend. Sometimes it's found in the tools that help create value. Whether you're interested in manufacturing, customization, services, or premium products, there's a machine on this list that could become the foundation of your next business. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more profitable business ideas and machines that are changing the way people make money.